here in the Valley.
I remember my grandfather brought me one.
A typewriter?
Yes, from a garage sale when I was really little. And I held on to it forever. I don't even remember if it worked or if I did anything with it. But Marcy Jones is at Mesa. Hi, Marcy. Totally forgot about you.
What? How could you ever
Well,
forget
I didn't forget about you. I was ignoring you.
Okay,
I
so
was
we are here at
reminiscing.
I know, two very different things. Yes, I forgive you. Don't worry. We're here at Mesa Typewriter Exchange. I'm here with Bill. Typewriters making a huge comeback, or would you argue that they never left?
A little of both, yeah.
Oh,
There's
Bill,
been some
yes.
customers that have been around forever, and some, like some of these younger ones here today, kind of a resurgence or kind of a...
Come in here, find a boyfriend or two. Hey, girls.
recently.
Wow. Albert, I love him.
Yeah, he
My
came in.
My friends love baseball players. Ashley Cheatham, Carly Myers. Maybe you can come in here, find a boyfriend or two. Hey, girls. Okay, so we are here with some younger folk. Hi there.
Hi.
This is Jeremiah. What are you typing away there?
I'm typing, well, right now I was about to type the Quick Slide Fox Jumps Over the Lazy Brown Dog, which uses all the letters of the alphabet.
Yes, excellent. Well, how did you first get into typewriters?
Well, actually, some years ago we saw Bill being interviewed on CBS News Sunday Morning, and when we found out that this was just a few miles away from us, the next week we came over here and met him and tried some typewriters out, and I fell in love with him, and that December I got my first one for Christmas.
Oh my gosh, and America is falling in love with you right now. You're fantastic. Okay, so Dylan, what about you? You're an interesting character because you have, you know, your very high-tech Verizon watch there, but then you also are typing away on a typewriter.
It's different. It's like really interesting to see like different things from different eras to use. Like I have a typewriter. It's
All right, so Bill, if people want to come on down and see you, where are we located right now?
Right in downtown Mesa. We've been here almost 70 years, this location.
So they should know.
They should know, yeah.
Excellent.
And I'm here Monday through Thursday, 9 to 5, out during lunch.
Very sweet. I love it. Guys, this is so much fun. And, hey, Anita, I'm talking to you. You should bring your typewriter in here and see if it still works.
Yeah, get it tuned up.
Why not?
It's long gone.
YOLO.
I think my parents took it away from me.
Get
They're
it
like,
tuned up.
It doesn't work. You don't need it.
You gotta get it tuned up.
It was that green, that like army green color, and it had the lid over it.
Oh wow,
Like
that was like a